If it's your first time, I welcome you. And if you're coming back, show me some love and maybe like, subscribe, like, comment, share. That's a big wish list. But anyways, today I'm going to be making for you, cue the thunder, cue the lightning, dark and stormy. One day I'll have like a cameraman who can cue those effects, but whatever. For today, it's candles. So dark and stormy for you today, we're going to be using beautiful, delicious, one of my favorites, Appleton. Appleton, ginger beer, and lime juice. So stay with me and let us see. For dark and stormy, you're just going to build in a glass, a tall glass, preferably. Okay, so just add your ice. Y'all know I don't like ice, but again, with your beautiful Appleton. And can I just show you guys? I love to actually dress up my bottles, especially like my favorite bottles, with like bracelets or necklaces. So for one of my favorites, Appleton, I put my crystal cross on there with my like little anklet. Okay, yeah, back to the drink. 2 parts Appleton, which is rum, y'all. 2 parts. One part lime. I'd like to tell you it's fresh squeezed, but I'm not a liar. I don't want to lie to you today. You're just going to then top with ginger beer or 4 parts ginger beer. Whichever you choose. I mean, you're in the bar, you're not going to be measuring out things that you can just top with. But for you today, I will measure. And that is it, guys. Give a quick little stir. Garnish with a lime wheel. So if you don't mind, if you could just, that button right there, just subscribe. I think it's on your right side. So subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let me know if you're enjoying the content that I'm providing in my home bar, crystals and cocktails. Thank you, guys. Just give this bad boy a taste. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so delicious, so refreshing. So thank you so much for joining me here in my home, Crystals and Cocktails. And I'd like to thank you for allowing me into your lovely home and for watching my drink making skills. Come back and see us soon. And if you have any requests, just drop it there in the bottom, in the comments, and let me know what you'd like to see me make next. Cheers, y'all. If you're gonna drink, drink responsibly. Never drink and drive. Thank you.